Subject Environmental Studies Part 1. Listen student, today we see the first chapter, Our Earth and Our Solar System. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent while some stars are tiny and faint. When we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle but some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the star, the planets, etc. are known as the heavenly bodies. Try this. Today we see a activity, and in this activity you have to observe the heavenly body in the sky. You have to observe the heavenly body for the 2 times by keeping a gap of about 1 week between these 2 observations. You may choose the heavenly body, whether the moon or the sun, and your observation that is based on the some points. Let us see which are that points. The brightness of the heavenly bodies, whether they twinkle, their color and size, and changes in their positions. On both nights, you have to draw a picture of the illuminated portion of the moon, and you have to note how it changes from day to day. You have to do this activity. Then we see what is meant by the stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. It is close to us. It is close to the earth, and that is why the sun appears big and brilliant. In daytime, we cannot see the star in the sky. Why? Because there is a bright light of the sun there. But during night, we can see the many stars in the sky because there is no sunlight, and that is why during night we see the stars in the sky, but during the daytime we cannot see the star in the sky. Then we see what is meant by the planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have their own light. They get light from the star. Planets revolve around a star, and planets rotate around themselves also. Then we see the solar system. What is meant by the solar system? The sun and the 8 planets together are called the solar system. In solar system, the sun is in center and the 8 planets that revolve around the sun. These 8 planets that revolve around the sun in a specific path, and that path is known as the orbit of the planet. Let us see which are the planets that revolve around the sun. The name of the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets revolve around the sun. These planets that are divided into two groups, inner planet and the outer planet. Which are the inner planet? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are the inner planet. And which are the outer planet? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the outer planet. Why two groups are made? Because there is a band of asteroids, the smaller heavenly bodies, in between the planet Mars and Jupiter, and that is why these planets are divided into two groups. Okay, student? Then we see other heavenly bodies in the solar system. Satellite. What is mean by the satellite? Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. They are called satellites. Satellites too get light from the sun. Satellite too get light from the sun. Satellite also do not have their own light. Satellite also get light from the sun. Moon revolve around the earth, and that is why moon is the satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites, and the planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. Then we see what is meant by the dwarf planets. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are present beyond the orbit of Neptune. They are called the dwarf planet. The most well-known dwarf planet is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve around the sun independently. They have an orbit of their own. Scientists also research another dwarf planet. You may get information about it from the YouTube also. Let us see in this diagram, in the circle, there are some dwarf planets. Then we see asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called the asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. In this way, today we see the solar system.